Hi everyone. Well, something exciting happened today. I got this parcel from Japan in the mail, and it's from Margrieta. She is a YouTube follower, and she asked me if I liked things from Japan, and I said I like everything Japanese. And she used to live there, and she was traveling back to visit. She now lives, I believe, in Germany, and she said she was going to send me a parcel. So when this came, I thought it was something I had ordered, but I had a sign for it, and then I saw that it was from Japan Post. So I'm going to open this and let you guys see what she sent me. And so here we go with my little X-Acto knife. This is all done up with duct tape. Oh, I hear stuff moving around in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So here's a little card she drew, and it says, "Thank you very much for all your beautiful learning videos. I hope you like the Japanese souvenirs." Thank you. And I even like the packing paper, the newsprint that you put in. I love collaging with this. So a couple of Japanese fans. And woodblock prints. Wow, look at that. It tells a story. It's kind of like a little banner. It's very cute. Okay, I'm going to have to do some looking at this closely to figure out the story. It's lovely cotton material, it looks like, with nice stitching around the edges, and then the printing on it. Wow. Next, there's a little package of washi paper. So this is just looks like an assortment of different colors and ends of paper. Oh goodness. I'm not going to save the cello on this, I guess. So just all kinds of little pieces, colors, I love washi paper. This is so nice for collaging, and some of it is really lovely and caustic, like this type of thin paper with the threads in it goes pretty much transparent and just leaves the thread showing, so that will come in very handy. Great, lovely. So, oh, and a little turtle. Okay, then we have Margrieta, you might have to tell me, but I think this is probably bath salts in here, is what I'm thinking. It sounds and feels like that. And we have some more mixed package of papers here with a really nice label, which I would use in my art as well. That's beautiful. I love how they package everything. Here's another lovely little package of assorted papers. Beautiful colors. And what is this? This is incense, or it smells like incense. Yes, it smells very good. Not sure exactly what they are. Maybe somebody can help me with that. And, oh my goodness, don't you just love this packaging? This is from Suteya Books. Probably said that wrong, but even this paper is beautiful for collage, and I do love my polka dots. So, oh my, more washi paper, a whole book of washi paper, 80 sheets of calligraphy paper. So, just beautiful, beautiful paper to make little handmade note cards out of, or bind it into a lovely journal. That would be fun. Or use it as collage paper. So wow, I'm really well set here now for paper and collage, new collage material. Well, there you have the whole box. I think everything is out of it. So thank you so much, Margrieta. It's just a thrill to get a package in the mail of a surprise gift and some lovely papers that I can use in my artwork. And I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. So enjoy the rest of your travels if you're still in Japan. And I hope to get there one day myself. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take good care. Bye.